First thing this morning to actually do a video that was going to help you, to encourage you, and to enlighten you with joy and happiness in your heart. So as I'm going through my day and I'm looking at everybody else out there and I'm like, okay guys, what are we doing and what can we do that's going to make things really super happy for each one of us? And I had joy in my heart when I woke up this morning. I was like, I am so happy. I am so grateful that, I have this impulse to make this video and to touch as many people as I could possibly do and to share the light and the love that is out here in the world for all of us that will align us to what it is we want. So when you know down in your heart, in all your being, when you can know, do you realize what knowing is? Let me just touch base on this one really quickly, and then we'll get into what this video is about. Knowing is not just having a know that, yeah, this is good, that's fine, that's going to happen that way. Knowing is having a belief that this is true for you. When you know something, when you really, really know, like you're awesome, you're fantastic, your business is prosperous, you're successful, everything you're doing is working out for you. Knowing. So, I love knowing that the joy and happiness are the keys. They're the keys to aligning into my vortex, that I can see what I put in there that's waiting for me, that is I'm aligning to it and it is coming out. When I know, I can just feel it. Not just that, the joy and the happiness lets me see what's there. And you can do the same thing. When you know something and you have pure joy and happiness in your heart, nothing can stop you. So I love opening my senses, and that's what this video is about. It's knowing, it's having joy and happiness in your heart and your being, because these are keys that will align you to whatever it is you have put in your vortex. Because if you're focusing on what you don't have, if you're focusing on not having enough money to do this, or not having enough money to do that, or this or that, that's going to keep giving you in the lack phase. But when you have joy for what you have right now, when you have joy for the life you have, when you have joy, all of your senses will come alive. And when all of your senses come alive, you know that your desires are right there. They're not lack. They're not that or this or anything else. They are desires that you have put in your vortex, that you've asked the universe for, that you've asked God for. So whatever that is for you, there's something different for a lot of people. But today we're going to focus a little bit here on money, because people are more in tune with money right now. So one thing I'm going to tell you right now is do not focus on money. Money runs very fast. It runs faster than we could ever imagine. We cannot keep up with it. So I love doing what I love to do. And when you do that, you get joy in your heart. You get joy in your personality. You get joy all around you. And why not use that joy and happiness to not just touch other people, but to grow your business, to grow your income, and to make it all come forward for you easily. When you can do that and it's easy to do and everything just like manifests out there for you, why not put yourself in that scenario? Why not put yourself out there? I love teaching people how to use law of attraction. And I love teaching people attraction marketing. Why? Because these are two easy steps that once you learn them and once you get in tune to knowing them, then things will come easily to you, and they'll come more attractingly to you, because you're going to be in the attractor factor part of that, where you are attracting back to you what you're putting out there. And these are actually marketing tools. Law of attraction, attraction marketing, they're both marketing tools. And these are special tools, and they are powerful tools that once you learn how to use them properly, you can grow your business, your income, to whatever you want it to be. Maybe you're happy with $100,000 a year income. That's great. Why not? Go with that. Maybe you're $1 million person. Maybe you're $100 million person. Whatever it is. Hold on. Excuse me. whatever it is. It's up to you. So I have fun along the way. Pardon me. I have fun with whatever I'm doing. I love doing videos. I love doing trainings. I love doing coachings. I love helping people to get to their next level. But as I'm doing this, I feel joy in my heart and I feel joy in my being. As I am doing this, I'm actually the type of person who could sit down in a room with people and not have to say a word to feel comfortable. I can be in a room with people and not have to talk. Sometimes it's better just to be quiet and enjoy the silence. And a lot of people don't do that. They don't have silence in their world. They feel like they have to talk whenever there's another person around. If that's you, you might want to learn how to entertain yourself on a more spiritual level where you don't have to do that. What's going to happen is you're going to get more joy in your heart. You're going to be more content with yourself. And not just that, you're going to start allowing your intuition to come in. And when you let your intuition come in and guide you, I find when I can take a quiet moment for myself, my intuition will guide me down the path where I want to go. And it'll be different opportunities that come my way. It'll maybe be different people I need to see. Or it could be just different things I need to do. So whatever the case may be, my intuition starts taking over. And when you're quiet, you can listen to your intuition. So be quiet and feel the joy in your heart and the happiness that that brings. And let your intuition lead you down the right path. If you are spending your days wanting, you're always going to be wanting and never receiving. And that's a hard fact that a lot of people don't want to hear. But, you know, it's the truth. So I love having my vortex door open for me. When I can get that door to open, and I have to be in alignment and in tune with everything I want in my life. And when I do, I'm allowing myself to be in alignment and aligned with no resistance. If I have any doubt, any lack, any type of anything like that, then that door will close and I will not be in alignment to receive what's in there. So I know that the more in tune I am with where I'm going, with what I'm doing, my business grows, my money flows to me freely and easily, and I take the steps as they are given to me by intuition, by my self-confidence, and by everything I do that puts joy in my heart. When I can live my life joyful and happy, as I'm asking you to do also, you'll find that you're going to be more in tune with what you are doing. You're going to be more in tune to not wanting. The more focused you are on wanting, the more it's not going to come. There's going to be different things that are kind of come up, and it's always going to evade you. It's always going to run away because it runs away really fast. If you're meant to have it, you would have it. If you're meant to have it, you would already have it. Look at it that way, because that's a fact. That's a reality. If you're meant to have it, you would already have it. There's nothing that could have stopped it. When you're meant to have something, you will have it, and there's nothing that'll stop it, because everything will line up, everything will be perfect. If you're not meant to have it, maybe you need to wait until you are in alignment to have it, because it could be right now you're not meant to have it. So think about that as you're going through your days. When you wake up in the morning, focus yourself in a happy, joyful mood. Even if you're having a bad morning, focus yourself in a happy, joyful mood. Because you'll find the more happy you feel, the more happy you think, the more it will come back to you. If you're thinking of all the bad things and everything you have to do today that's going to make you irritated, or everything that is wrong during the night, or all the pain and irritation you have, that's not going to help you at all. You're not going to get where you need to go. So look at where you want to go. I love writing my lists and I love following them because I can, as I cross each thing off my list each day and what I need to do. I leave jiggle room for doing some things out of the ordinary so that if something comes up, I can definitely do that. So do the same, but live your life because joy starts here. Joy starts right here in your heart with you and where you're going and what you're doing. When you can let joy and happiness start in your heart every single day, go to bed with joy, wake up with joy, and be in tune with yourself, with your vortex, and with what you're manifesting. The more you're in tune with that and the love and the joy that's there, the easier it will flow and the easier it will come. Granted, the world is changing and things are changing very quickly. So the question is, are we going to change with them or are we going to change against them? It's all a possibility. So just be sure you're going where you want to go and doing what you need to do. Okay?